Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn off alarm clock on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is click the digital clock on your itel S15 mobile phone to proceed on alarm clock. And okay guys, here on the top you can see the alarm clock icon, the word clock icon, the stopwatch icon, and the timer icon. And okay guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to turn off alarm clock. And okay guys, you only have to do is go to alarm clock icon. And okay guys, here okay you can see on the alarm clock the alarm time. And okay guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to turn off the alarm time. And okay guys, here you can see I have two alarm time here set into my device. And okay guys, you only have to do to turn off this alarm clock is click the switch button on the right side of this alarm clock time to turn off the alarm clock. And okay guys, another one. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned off the alarm clock on your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.